Good morning, folks. Welcome to my channel. Uh, have you realized lately that we are so shallow in our interactions? Our reactions are also either they are over dramatic or either we are underreacting, or either we are not reacting at all, we are just frozen. Our communication has become more and more vague and fake because we are living in this digital world where everything is digital. And you can see this kind of a trend, this kind of a pop culture happening from past 15 to 20 years, ever since internet has taken the forefront. Human interactions have become far more shallow and superficial. Everything is very much technology. Like if we want to express our opinions, there we are on social media. Okay, social media has its plus points that you're interacting with hundreds and thousands of people at one time, but then it is being misused. We have become psychopathic, means there is no control. Anything and anything we are posting, like celebrities, everybody has become a mini celebrity. एनी वेरी सेलिब्रिटीज उनके ट्विटर का पोस्ट एक एक सब कुछ सेंस भी नहीं बनता है, and then they are posting something on Facebook and Insta and here, there and everywhere, which absolutely doesn't make any sense. But then they are drama queens, they're supposed to be doing all those kind of things. But then when we see people investing, emotionally being invested in each and every post, they're wondering how many likes they are getting, how many views they are getting. I'll tell you about my channel. I hardly get any views. I had done something on sun signs. I think it is less than 70, I guess. Okay, let me tell you all one more thing. Breaking news. YouTube is slightly threatening me, is oppressing me, rather blackmailing me that they will strike me and this and that because of my controversial opinions. And I was like laughing. So I feel like saying, bhai, agar tum log ka nanga punga naach chal sakta hai, you can upload porn, you can upload छक्के लोगों का वो जो होता है ना, transgender type, LGBT type, then you find my content offensive when there is nothing but one simple person, Asian female, sitting literally on the floor and talking to her audience, which is barely maybe few hundreds, handful of them. Okay, just because one or two of my videos have become viral, that is fake gurus. I'll tell you how I had done this. It's like I just picked up my phone one day and all these topics were running through my mind. So it was like a trial run. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं कि I was planning. I was thinking of getting so much of massive hit. It just happened. It's a coincidence. And when I was having this, you will see it's a very casual setting. Moreover, I kept speaking and I spoke for around 25 minutes. And I was speaking about different topics and I was amazed. So what I did was, I edited it into 2-3 minutes, and whatever was relevant, I was posting it under the certain topic. I was shocked out of my wits ki how come this is become so viral. It is almost 44,000, 45,000. I'm like, how come? कैसे? There are so many wonderful more topics जिसपे मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत की, उसको कोई नहीं पूछ रहा है. जेफरी, कौन है वो? जेफरी स्टार मेकअप, bullshit makeup artist. Then that obesity, what is that? Body positive movement. I've been speaking about so many things, so many celebrities, but why only that particular thing? Here I have people who are like, taunting and saying, see how funny you are and this and that. When I started off, I really never thought about all these things. My looks didn't really matter because I'm not some kind of a supermodel or something that I need to be put together, matlab neat and nice, yes, because people are watching me. So yes, I need to be quite presentable and I should be humble. And when I'm roasting, doesn't mean कि I'm roasting them because मुझे मजे आ रहे हैं. I'm giving critical analysis of their personality and character and their kind of content they are generating, be it whoever. It is not just roasting for the heck of it कि चलो कि कोई एक लड़की नाच रही है. There's this guy called Shwetab Gangawar who thinks he's a problem solver, novelist. कुछ पागल कहीं का. Comes across as another crackpot. He's also a North Indian ना, तो ये सारे crackpots ऐसे ही होते हैं, अपने आप को डेढ़ शाड़े समझ. He's talking so fast and another thing, he gives a lot of गालीज. What the fuck. मैंने बोला एक जमाने में ये आदमी बूढ़ा जैसा कुछ तो इतनी बड़ी दाढ़ी लेके उसका एक चैनल था गैंग मैन सूत्रा करके. अभी वो चेंज करके अपना खुद का नाम डाला है और एक चैनल है उसका गैंगस्टर्स फिलोसफी करके. उसमें बाल शेव वगैरह किए हैं. नाउ ही इज अ लिटिल मोर टोन डाउन बट ही इज एक्टिंग मोर ट्रेंडी, लाइक केटरिंग टू द 15-year-olds अपवर्ड्स काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. हमें कितना गाली गलौज देता है वो. ठीक है, समटाइम द रियल रीजन इज दैट इट इंक्रीजेस व्यूअरशिप की. नहीं देख कैसे रोस्टिंग कर रहा है. एक लड़की इंदौर में नाच रही है ट्रैफिक में. ये क्या इस तरह से नाचना है? शॉक वैल्यू है, ये शॉक एलिमेंट है, नार्सिसिस्ट है. मैंने बोला सबसे बड़ा नार्सिसिस्ट यू आर देयर. लुक एट द बुक, द रूडेस्ट बुक एवर, एंड हिज बुक कैप्शन नेशनल बुक सेलर. हमेशा उसका बुक इज डिस्प्लेड ऑन द स्क्रीन. प्रशांत त्रिपाठी जो है, ही पुट्स नंबर्स ऑन द स्क्रीन सो दैट पीपल कैन कॉल हिम अप फॉर सेशंस और समथिंग, वर्कशॉप्स. सो ये लोगों से बच के रहो. ये क्या प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेगा? ये खुद कितना फ्रस्ट्रेटेड और एंग्री लग रहा है. श्वेताब गंगवार. दिस इज वन ऑफ माई सब्सक्राइबर्स टोल्ड मी टू स्पीक अबाउट हिम. लिटिल लाइफ इज. सो आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एन एग्जाम्पल कि कैसे ये यूट्यूबर्स इन्फ्लुएंसर बन रहे हैं. आई ऑलवेज फॉरगेट टू टेक द नेम ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल दीज फेक गुरुज एंड ऑथर्स एंड ऑल. ये भी इनके अंदर भी चर्बी कम नहीं है, फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग. दे थिंक नो एंड ऑफ देम सेल्फ. थोड़े फटाफट फेम मिलता है, थोड़ा पैसे मिल जाते हैं, ये सर उनके नशा चढ़ जाता है उनके सर के अंदर. दे थिंक दे कैन लाखों लोगों को अपनी उंगली पे नचा सकते हैं. सो डोंट टेक देम सो पर्सनली. ये क्या लोग उनको क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, ये क्या तुम्हें आंसर करेगा पागल. He can't even handle himself. Looks like गांजा का सुट्टा मार के वहां पे बैठ के बातें कर रहा है. Seriously, such a hyperactive kind of a language he has. Okay, and I'll tell you about my style. I sat down. I'm not on Facebook. I'm not on any other media. And as I said, I really wanted to start my channel from a long time, So as I said, it just started off. December 2019 था. Literally I was going through my post-traumatic stress disorder because of my accident and all. It was a long period. ऐसा भी नहीं था that I was in my best of spirits. So sometimes when you're taking off, movement is important. Keep walking, keep doing things. There is no eureka moment. Every ordinary day can be a aha moment or a great day. Like I'm giving my own example. When I started off, I didn't even think in my wildest dream that it could really get 45,000 views when I was less than 200 subscribers or something. Can you imagine? In fact, the highest video was this Shivani video, Jaggi video, which was going through 3,000 per month, 4,000 per month, just एक single video. मैंने बोला भाई बाकी कंटेंट भी देखो ना. What is this? I'm not even getting 100 in some of my very good subject matters. So yes, it was very disappointing, but as I said, I take one day at a time. कल क्या होगा परसों. जैसे मैंने प्रशांत आचार्य के बारे में बोला था कि मैं जुलाई में करूंगी, बट I took more time because I could not bring myself to go through that content, because back to back I had done too much of work and too much of research and too much of analysis, and I was absolutely exhausted and I didn't get a good vibe from this creature. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say कि we are shallow. We look for other people's success. उनका फॉर्मूला देख के हमारे लाइफ में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. मैंने बोला मेरा तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. I literally remember, I can give my example when I was so pucked. जब मेरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ था, then bedridden for so many days, like 2 months. Then Literally there was Holi. I told my mom मैं होली खेलने जा रही हूँ. She's like, be careful of your hands. So I said नहीं, but bandage was there. I said I literally went down and I was dancing in my compound. वो पानी आ रहा था with my bandage hand. मैं ऐसे से कर रही हूँ. So people were thinking I'm some crazy creature कि ये कैसे क्या कर रही है. So literally when you have to move your ass, you have to move your ass. Like seriously, you can say that. And I did it for my self-confidence. Not that I was so fond of these building people or I wanted to mingle with them. इनकी शक्लें देखने का मुझे कोई शौक नहीं है, लेकिन it was for myself. I said चलो यार नीचे जाते. This is how you build your confidence. You don't need other people to tell you about success. ये उनकी सक्सेस है. अगर वो डबल डिग्री करके आगे निकल गए, पैसे बने, तो उनका कॉन्सेप्ट है, उनका फॉर्मूला है. योर बैकग्राउंड, योर थिंग्स विल बी, ईच एंड एवरी इंडिविजुअल हैज अ डिफरेंट थॉट प्रोसेस. दे कम फ्रॉम डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड्स. फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस मैटर करता है, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें मैटर करती है. कितना सपोर्ट है, कितना मनी पावर है, किस तरह से तुम अपने आप को नेविगेट करते हो. सो डोंट कंपेयर योर सेल्फ टू अदर पीपल. बाय रीडिंग दीज बुक्स, विजिटिंग सेमिनार्स, वर्कशॉप, कोई भी सक्सेस नहीं बनता है. यू शुड बी अ एग्जाम्पल टू योर सेल्फ कि नहीं भाई मैं उठ के करूँगा. लिटरली उनका कुछ मिठाई का डब्बा था. आई रिमेम्बर दैट होली थिंग. कुछ समोसे एंड जलेबी थी. I hung around and I didn't know that the snacks had to be prepaid. So I said, okay, I'll pay you later. Took the dabba और आगे मैंने बोला दिवाली की मिठाई चलो खा लेती हूँ. And I paid that lady later on, like in the evening. So you have to put that efforts of going ahead and talking to people and doing things, simple things. ये तो simple thing था. Imagine I was bedridden. Okay, I was so much cranky. I was almost so ugly. मैंने ये नहीं सोचा कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे. अरे, I said no. I wanted to enjoy. I wanted to get it out of my head. Like you understand that ना. वो दिमाग के अंदर वो तुम इतने सारे medicines खाते हो. You're always so dull and you're so listless and lethargic. So I said, no, let me do something different. But I was taking care of my hand, like still. But yes, overall. So that's what, be an example to yourself. Don't depend on other people's success stories. लोगों का क्या है, अपना story कोई भी, they will do something behind the back, but सामने वो अच्छा कुछ दिखा देंगे. You don't know behind the back क्या करते होंगे, कौन सा उनका बिजनेस है, कौन सा धंधा है. We don't know. But on the surface level, we think everything is nice and neat and all that. ऐसा नहीं होता है. So people are lying about themselves. वो कुछ और दिखाते हैं और कुछ और होते हैं. So we don't have to compare ourselves with other. अरे शर्मा जी, वर्मा जी, मिश्रा जी, ये जी, वो जी, क्या करना है? No. Concentrate. If you're simple, you're simple. People are afraid to be ugly. I said circumstances होते हैं where you have to accept yourself. इतना सारा लीपा पोती करने से कुछ ये नहीं बनता है. योर स्पिरिट हैज टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, राइट ना. दैट्स ऑल आई वांट टू से. दैट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डिजिटल एज वी हैव लॉस्ट आवर ह्यूमन इमोशंस. वी आर बिकमिंग आइदर टू क्रेजी, आइदर ओवर फंक्शनल, आइदर वर्क इज वर्शिप. ये करते रहते हैं पागल जैसे कुछ भी, या तो लेजी बने रहते हैं. तो वी आर एक्सट्रीम्स. वी आर नेवर बैलेंस्ड, बायोपोलर जैसे पूरे. एंड वी आर ग्लैमराइजिंग मेंटल इलनेसेस. जैसे ये सेलिब्रिटीज आके बोल रही है, एक्ट्रेसेस आके बोल रही है सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट. मैंने बोला नहीं, ये खुद ही सामने से जाके दे गो एंड स्लीप अराउंड विद द प्रोड्यूसर्स एंड डायरेक्टर्स टू. They have to do it. It's a part of job. So nobody is clean over here, and if they are pretending to be clean, including the men, right? So nobody is clean over here, and then they are talking about their success stories. We don't know what is there behind their success, how they have got their success. So either we are under functional or over functional. Either we are feigning incompetence and playing like a victim, or either we are pretending as though we are the biggest survivors. Life is simple, guys. Keep it one day at a time. Just keep it one day at a time. One day at a time as in learn to manage your emotions. Learn to manage your time. That's what I'm trying to say. Learn to manage your consumption, your habits, your behavior, little by little. लिटिल बाय लिटिल. ओवरनाइट नहीं ये सारी चेंजेस करने हैं. लिटिल बाय लिटिल, दैट्स ऑल. Yeah, this is a random topic basically. As in when I find something interesting, I'll try my best to upload as regularly as possible. Okay, thank you so much for all your support and love. And yes, maybe I'm bothering a lot of people. I wonder whose people are not even watching my content, and YouTube is threatening me. Maybe I am like a headache to them. क्या करे इसके साथ, ना इसके views है ना इसको पूरे dislikes, likes भी बराबर से नहीं मिलते हैं. We are harassing her and still she's there. मैंने बोला I'm not doing this for likes and views. People who are liking it, who appreciate it, it's for them. Otherwise it's okay. I'm not bothered anymore. Initially I used to feel little bad, but now what is there? क्या है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Okay then, thank you so much for watching my content. Please place your comments and let me know.